Hello, digital literacy students. Today, I am going to show you an important tool that many people with computers use to make their lives easier when they are surfing the internet. That is creating bookmarks. Bookmarks save you a lot of time because they can put a bookmark on a website that you constantly use so that each time you want to go to that website, you don't have to put in the URL every time. To do this, I'm going to show you an example of bookmarking the My WSU login page. First, make sure you have your browser open. Then you're going to Google the website that you want to have access to. For me, I will Google My WSU login. I'll click on the website. And it should bring me to that website. Before you bookmark, I want you to check to make sure that's the correct website that you want to bookmark. Login.wsu.edu is the correct website for what I'm trying to bookmark. To bookmark a page, all you need to do is click on this tiny star at the top right of your browser. It should open up this window. You can name your bookmark. I suggest naming it something simple and easy so that you can remember what this page brings you to. I will name this My WSU login page. You also have the option to save this into a folder. I'm going to keep this in the bookmarks bar. And when I'm done, I'm going to click done. You will know that your page has been bookmarked when you see the star turn blue. Now, to access your bookmarks, you have two ways of doing this. The first way is through Google Chrome. You'll see these tiny little arrows at the top right called hidden bookmarks. Click on that and it will show you a list of all the bookmarks you have created. Your newest bookmarks will be on the very bottom. So as you can see, My WSU login page is at the very bottom because it's the newest bookmark. Another way to access your bookmarks if you are a MacBook user is go to the bookmark tab at the very top. You will have access to all of your bookmarks and then also access to Bookmark Manager where you can delete and edit bookmarks you have made in the past. Another really cool tool for bookmarks is adding it to your bar, known as your bookmark bar, right here. Now to do that, all you need to do is find the bookmark that you want to add to your bar, click and drag so it looks like this. And as you notice, when I hover over that bar, you'll see that dash move. Choose a spot for your new bookmark. I'll put it right here. And it should pop up right here. That way you can access your bookmarks much faster instead of having to scroll through a list of bookmarks. I suggest putting important bookmarks in this bar, like My WSU login page, Canvas, and WSU Canvas, as those will be necessary websites that you will be using throughout the semester. I hope this helps.